Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with something that I haven't really tested before. So this is new to me. I don't know if it's new to you, but just join me and let's play around with this pen and see what happens. Never tried it before. It's going to be my first time trying it. It is a calligraphy pen. I think that's the way you say it. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But yeah, we're going to be playing with this. I ordered this a while ago on, I think it was eBay. Got it, stashed it away, never even used it, tried it, or anything. It's a really nice pen. It breaks in half. And then inside this pen you do have, it comes with 5 different size daughters. So you can use those and then store them back in the pen once you're done using those. Okay, and then you just put it back together. I don't have the special ink that is used for calligraphy, but I know that you can use acrylic paint. All you have to do is water it down, and that's exactly what I was doing right now. So I was using just any acrylic paint that you can find at Michael's or Walmart, or just any acrylic paint would do. The only thing you have to do is water it down. So that's what I was doing right now. So I poured a little bit of acrylic paint into this dampened dish, and then I was adding water to it until I got a, I want to say like a milky consistency. So I was just adding that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and finish mixing this in here. And it has to be just like I said, a milky consistency. It can't be too thick and it can't be too watery. So I'm going to go ahead and test it on this piece of paper here. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and try to write on some acrylic nails that I have already for that. Okay, so now what you have to do is, you know what, I'm gonna take these daughters out of here just because the sound is gonna drive me insane. Okay, so we're just gonna put it back together here, and like I said, the reason why I mixed the paint in this dampened dish is because you have to be able to dip all your pen inside all the way to the top, all the way to here. Okay, so you have to be able to dip it, and it has to be, the paint has to cover all the way to the top because it has to cover this well right here. So, so we're just gonna go ahead and go in and see what happens. I think, so I'm just trying to get the whole pen covered, as you can see. I don't want to make a mess here, but that's kind of what I have. Okay, and then I'm gonna try it on this piece of paper. Let's see what happens. This is new for me as well, so let's just hope this thing works here. So let's just draw anything. So you have to get it flowing, and then you should be able to just write. So that's why it has to be on the watery side, because the paint has to be able to run down that well. Okay, and it can't be too watery because then you're just gonna have a mess, and it can be too thick because then it just won't run at all. But I saw this, I saw a video and somebody was using this pen to write on actual nails, and that's why I ordered it at the beginning, but I never used it because I don't know why I never used it, to be honest with you. But like I said, I was putting stuff away from that nail haul video. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna have it linked up on the iCard so you can see that. So I was putting stuff away and I came across this pen. And I said, well, you know what? I started playing with it. And I said, okay, let's just see what happens. So here we are. We're trying this pen out, and it seems like it works pretty well with just the acrylic paint. So I don't feel that you need to go out and buy the special ink. I think I think it should be anywhere from $3 to $5. I'm pretty sure they have more expensive stuff out there, but yeah, I'm just gonna use this acrylic paint since I already have it. So I don't know, what can we, it seems like it works pretty well, and you can go pretty fast. Once you run out of ink, obviously re-dip in there and get more. And I don't know, let's just, if you were doing nails like for the holidays, you could write happy holidays. Okay, so it's working well. As you can see, it's pretty clear. Sorry, my handwriting is kind of sloppy, but we'll do with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take these nails here and see how well that works. Again, I'm gonna be using the same thing, but when you are working with nails, I do know that you do have to buff the nails, okay? So in this case, let me get this hand here to work with me. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, or what I did to these nails is I applied my acrylic and I painted them with a white gel polish. But before I go in with my pen, I do have to buff the shine off. All right, so I'm gonna start off by writing, let's see if this works. You gotta get it flowing. Okay, and then let's see if this is easy enough. Okay, it's not terrible. Oh my God, this makes me nervous, and I don't even know why it makes me nervous. Okay. I hope that you guys can see that. It's pretty nice, pretty cool. And let's just write something else on this nail here. Try this again. There we go. And let's just write, I don't know. Okay, well, it's not terrible. I mean, I don't know if you guys can even see what I wrote. I wrote love, dream, achieve, and let's just make some nail design here. I don't know, I'm just gonna do a heart. I've seen this, people doing this. Let's just do another heart at the end. So it's nice. Like I said, it works nice. You can write whatever you want. So this is nice if you wanna personalize your nails. maybe write your name on it, or write your boyfriend's name on it, or your husband's name on it, or just anything. If you want to personalize your nails, I think this is a good way to do it. So that's the way the calligraphy pen works, and I went ahead and I applied a top coat, and that's the way they look after they cured for 60 seconds. So yeah, if you're gonna ask me if you should invest on one of these little puppies here, I'm gonna say yeah, go ahead and do it. It works nicely. Again, it depends on your handwriting, but I think it looks pretty cool. And I'm pretty sure you can go extreme on the designs that you can make or not, but I just wanted to show you a basic thing and see if it actually worked or not, because I was testing it myself. Okay, so that's the way that pen works, and I hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye bye.